Can we ride it? Whoa! I want to ride it.
Where did those come from?
From Miss Sandy and Miss Barbara.
That's right.
That one's from Miss Sandy and this one's from Miss Barbara.
They're both. It's from both of them. You go thank her right this minute.
She's in the bathroom.
Oh, she's in the bathroom? Here, let me help you. We need scissors, so hold on.
Yeah. Oh, cool! I have a thing, a pocket. What do I do?
Go ahead.
Then I move that. Oh, cool! Look, Christian. What's that?
It's a fender.
Huh?
That's a fender.
Fender?
Yeah. Well, before we start getting on the bicycles, come on. We gotta put the helmets on you and the pads. So come on.
Oh, cool.
Did you tell Miss Sandy thank you?
Thank you, Miss Sandy.
Okay, and Miss Barbara. Miss Barbara.
Tell Miss Barbara thank you too. She's gonna watch this.
Where's my phone?
On here. Tell her thank you.
Thank you.
To who?
Miss Barbara. Thank you, Miss Barbara.
Okay, come on, get off the bike. We're gonna get the helmets and the pads on.
Somebody's gonna text effing bucks suck.
My team won.
Okay, hold on.